From the Albuquerque Journal, this is the leading news. I'm Gino Gutierrez. It's Tuesday, January 6th. Here's what we're covering on today's episode. Flu cases are surging across New Mexico and the nation, with health officials warning the season is not yet peaked. The New Mexico Department of Health reports a rapid rise in flu-related activity, though exact case numbers remain unclear because many people are not seeking care or getting tested. Nationally, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimate about 5,000 flu-related deaths and 120,000 hospitalizations since the fall, including 3 deaths here in New Mexico. Hospital admissions spiked in late December, and doctors say current levels are already higher than the past 2 flu seasons. Hospitals in Albuquerque are already running over capacity, a strain worsened when rural hospitals divert patients to the metro area. Children are also being hit hard, with pediatricians reporting high fevers, cough, and congestion. Doctors say lower vaccination rates are contributing to the surge. Only about 22% of New Mexicans have received a flu shot so far this season, and healthcare providers are urging vaccinations, especially for people with chronic conditions, along with staying home when sick, wearing masks, washing hands, and avoiding face touching. Flu shots remain available statewide, and officials warn that flu activity could remain high for another month or 2. A long-stalled housing project in downtown Albuquerque is moving forward under a new developer. The project, now called Sendero, was originally announced in 2022 as the Downtowner, but was delayed due to rising construction costs, financial difficulties, and market conditions. Non-profit affordable housing developer Soul Housing has taken over from the previous developer, and Sendero will be built on a vacant lot at 1st Street and Silver Avenue Southwest and is now expected to be completed by 2027. The revised plan includes 141 housing units, with some reserved as income-restricted affordable housing, though specific income limits have not yet been set. City officials say the project aims to ease Albuquerque's housing shortage by adding new units and addressing affordability concerns. The city previously provided the land, a $1.8 million gap financing grant, and a tax abatement for the original project, but a new development agreement will be required under Soul Housing. Once finished, Sendero will feature a community space, bike parking, rooftop amenities, and direct connections to Albuquerque's rail trail. And Albuquerque's commercial real estate market in 2025 was widely described by local brokers as steady but transitional. That was shaped by rising costs, limited new construction, and shifting demand across sectors. While many expected a slowdown, brokers said the city's resilience helped keep activity consistent, with cautious optimism carrying into the new year. Retail saw almost a flat year, though deal volume ticked up slightly. Business closures created turnover that opened the door for new tenants and concepts, a trend expected to continue. High construction and labor costs, along with rising property taxes, remained major challenges. Several large retail projects, including Cottonwood Corners, Park Square Market, and Lobo Crossing, are expected to influence the market this year. In the office sector, higher tenant improvement costs push rents up and encourage longer lease terms, with 7-year leases increasingly replacing the traditional 5-year norm. Larger office spaces saw more activity, and vacancy rates tightened. The industrial market remained tight due to low supply, leading to fewer sales but strong leasing and rising prices. Brokers expect consolidation in the cannabis industry to free up more industrial space in 2026. Overall, brokers anticipate continued cost pressures, but are hopeful lower interest rates and major economic projects will boost activity in the year ahead. The leading news is powered by the journalism of the Albuquerque Journal. If you enjoy hearing all of the stories we share with you here daily, please consider becoming a digital subscriber to the Journal by utilizing the discount code in our show notes. Every subscription helps support local journalism and allows us to provide you with the news that matters to you. Now taking a look at Albuquerque's weather forecast. Today you can expect mostly sunny skies with a high near 57, and as for this evening, mostly cloudy with a low around 31. To keep up with all the latest news from the Albuquerque Journal, you can visit our website at abqjournal.com. That's the leading news. I'm Gino Gutierrez. We'll be back tomorrow.